why the world love the sound of Jamaica but ignore the people who created it. Today we are exposing the kleptomania of the pop world. To understand how we got here, you have to understand the power of Jamaican influence. For a country of less than 3 million people, Jamaica's culture footprint is massive. From the birth of hip-hop in the Bronx, pioneered by who some would say Jamaican-born DJ Kool Herc, to the global explosion of reggae via Bob Marley, the island has always been a factor for cool. But in the 21st century, something changed. It wasn't just about influence anymore. It became an industry standard to extract from the island. In the early 2000s, we saw Sean Paul and Shaggy dominated the charts. The world saw that dancehall was a gold mine, but instead of signing more Jamaican artists, the industry decided it was easier and cheaper to just give the sound to white or mainstream black American artists.
Do you know this one?